Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore the default settings on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. So restoring the default settings can fix many issues on the PlayStation 5. Maybe you changed some of your network settings and you can't undo them. Well, if we restore the settings, this can fix that issue. So on the home screen here, let's go on over to settings and select this. And then scroll on down to System. Now under here, let's go to System Software, go to the right, and scroll on down to Reset Options. Now go to Restore Default Settings. Now go ahead and type in the passcode. Now I didn't change the passcode at all, so if I press square, 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 or the default password 0000, it should go ahead and work. And under here, we can see everything that will be restored to the default values. So this will log you out of your PlayStation 5 account, so you will need the email address and password to sign back in. And it's going to restore users and accounts, so make sure you have that at hand before you reset it. Then also you can see it's going to reset the network options, so you might have to reconnect to your network once again after you do this. So be prepared. Look through all these different options in here, even your captures and broadcast settings. If you have any kind of saved files for your video clips or anything like that, make sure you go ahead and back those up. Now, it will not delete your game data, or it will not delete the actual physical game from your PlayStation 5 hard drive. So you don't have to worry about that data getting erased. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.